Hey guys, Vadim from beastgrip. We are here at Galaxy Unpacked, and I want to show you some really cool new features. If you go in Pro Video mode and access settings, you go through Camera Assistant, and now you have DOF Adapter Correction option that you can turn it on, and also Anamorphic Lens Correction option. And you can choose between 1.33 and 1.55 anamorphic lenses. Let's try this one. And now when you go back into camera, you have automatic de-squeeze for your anamorphic lens, which is really cool. The same for DOF adapter. Let's try that one. Here, DOF, and actually you can use both. So I'm gonna turn this one off, go back, and now we have DOF. You can see everything is upside down. So again, I'm gonna go to the settings, Camera Assistant, DOF correction, and now I have proper orientation of the image, and of course you have all the manual controls, so you can set your manual focus and shutter speed and everything, and now you can pull focus on your lens and shoot with DOF adapter in native camera app. So new S24 Ultra and regular 24 Plus, they fit perfectly in the beastgrip, as you can see. And cool thing is, on regular models you also have camera assistant that allows you to enable DOF features and anamorphic lens support, so it works across all of the new devices. Okay, now let's try with 155 anamorphic lens. So you can see right now I don't have anamorphic settings, all my image is distorted. Once again, I'm gonna go to the settings, Camera Assistant, Anamorphic Correction, 155. And also in Pro Camera app, you can shut down your image stabilization right here. You wanna make sure it's off, and then we're coming back, and we have perfectly de-squeezed image in native camera app in Pro mode. So guys, we can't wait until we're gonna get new Galaxy S24 Ultra so we can test it more with all of our lenses. We're so excited to be here, and we are happy to see that Samsung integrated DOF adapter and anamorphic lenses functionality in all new Galaxy S24 series devices.